Getting into DJ feels easier when your headphones help you hear what's going on, and that's what the Pioneer HDJ-Q1 does well. The sound keeps vocals and rhythms clear, which helps with beat matching, while the bass stays tight and doesn't take over the mix. The ear cups rotate a full 90 degrees, making one-ear monitoring comfortable during practice or mixing. They're also lightweight and feel sturdy, with metal sliders that hold up better than most entry-level options. With a foldable design and replaceable cables and ear pads, this is a simple DJ-focused choice that works well under $100. The Pioneer HDJ-X5 is a more serious step for DJs who want headphones that feel closer to club-ready gear. It uses 40mm dynamic drivers with a wide 5 Hz to 30 kHz frequency range, giving you stronger low end while keeping mids clear for cueing and transitions. Isolation is noticeably better, which helps when mixing at higher volumes or in noisier rooms. The swiveling ear cups make one-ear monitoring easy, and the reinforced build is tested to handle drops and regular travel. It does sit a bit higher in price than the Q1, but the tighter sound and tougher construction make it better suited for frequent practice and small gigs. Audio-Technica's M20x Bluetooth headphone works well for beginner DJs who are learning at home and spending time prepping playlists or practicing transitions. It delivers a clean, studio-style sound with clear mids and controlled bass from its 40mm drivers, helping you hear details without distraction. Bluetooth with multipoint makes switching between devices easy, and the low latency mode is useful when following tutorials or mixing along with videos. Battery life is a big plus, offering up to 60 hours on a charge. And for those who prefer cables, there's also a wired version available. Built for mixing from the ground up, OneOdio Pro 10 has become a go-to option for beginner DJs who want something affordable but purpose-driven. It uses large 50mm drivers to deliver punchy bass with clear vocals and highs, which helps when cueing and lining up tracks. One ear cup rotates 90 degrees, making single-side monitoring easy during practice or live mixing. Comfort holds up well thanks to padded ear cushions and a flexible headband. With both 3.5mm and 6.35mm jacks included, it plugs straight into mixers and controllers without adapters. Born for DJ. Sony MDR-7506 is one of those headphones you'll see everywhere, from studios to DJ booths, and it's been popular for so many years now for a reason. The 40mm drivers with neodymium magnets deliver clear, detailed sound that makes it easy to hear timing and small changes in a mix. The closed-back design blocks out outside noise well, which helps when cueing tracks. They fold up for travel and come with a long, non-detachable cable and a 1/4-inch adapter, making them a reliable wired option for DJs who value clarity and consistency. Here is another headphone from OneOdio that leans more toward careful listening and control rather than just loud sound. The Monitor 60 focuses on clarity across highs and mids, which helps when dialing in transitions or fixing small mix mistakes. The closed-back design keeps distractions out, making it easier to stay locked in during practice or longer sessions. Comfort is solid for extended wear, and the build feels ready for regular use. With a 6.35mm jack, it connects straight to mixers and interfaces without any extra setup. The Hercules HDP DJ60 is one of those DJ headphones that's genuinely good, even if you may not have heard about it before. It's designed for mixing in real situations with a closed-back over-ear fit that blocks outside noise and helps you stay focused when cueing tracks. The sound stays clear and well-balanced, with bass that's easy to follow without overpowering the mix. Soft ear pads keep things comfortable during longer sessions, making this a good option for practice, small gigs, and building confidence behind the decks. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the Nextcube Tech channel.